Have you ever turned on your air conditioner expecting cool air, only to feel warm air blowing from the vents? The problem might not be what you think. Most people assume their AC is low on refrigerant, but one of the most common reasons an air conditioner stops cooling is actually a dirty air filter. The question is, when the air filter becomes clogged with dust, pet hair, and debris, airflow is restricted. Without proper airflow, your AC can efficiently remove heat from your home. In severe cases, the evaporator coil can even freeze, making the cooling problem much worse. The good news? The fix is simple and inexpensive. First, turn off your AC system. Locate the air filter, usually found near the return vent or inside the indoor unit. Remove the filter and inspect it. If it's covered in dust and dirt, replace it with a new one or clean it if it's a reusable filter. After installing a clean filter, turn the system back on and give it some time. You may notice improved airflow and cooler temperatures within minutes. If your AC still isn't cooling properly, check that all supply vents are open and unobstructed. Also make sure the outdoor condenser unit is free from leaves, grass, and debris that could block airflow. Regular filter changes every 1 to 3 months can improve efficiency, lower energy bills, and help prevent costly repairs. So before calling for expensive service, check your air filter. That small, often overlooked part could be the secret reason your AC isn't cooling, and the fastest fix you can make today.